All right, my legion of YouTube subscribers, check this. Today, we're about to interview a person with a skill that all of our Jamaican children have. I'm telling you, everybody knows a little child girl that is able to do hair, is able to braid hair, that's able to do these simple things with hair. Maybe they do it for lunch money or whatnot, but we all know a little child that could do that, right? But they never really take it to the next level. Well, here, we have a Jamaican entrepreneur that took it to the next level, that didn't give no excuses like it's too expensive in Jamaica. They don't have the money to finance a shop. They're too afraid to finance a shop. There's too much responsibility, this, that, or the third. This Jamaican entrepreneur looked at the challenge and tackled it with a heart like a lion.
Hi, Edwin. Morning. Welcome, as usual. Here, Dean. So we're doing a regular shampoo service today, right? Yes. So hey guys, we're here with the lovely Kimon, and she owns and operates her beauty salon in Hertfordshire, one of the toughest places in Kingston. Hair Heart by Kimon. Yes. So we're just here to just have a little chat with her to just get to know when she started, how she started, why she started. We want to get into the meat of the matter because we just want to shed some light on how it is for entrepreneurs to get their business up and started, what are the struggles like, make people know, say, and a glitter and gold. But despite all of that, we still do it. So, Kimon, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Be there. So, I want to know though, what made you enter into the beauty industry?
Basically it was love. I love doing hair and I love letting people look good. When you look good, you just feel good. Growing up as a child, you start out from all the beginning. So when it starts off by just forming people here in the community, like we get a little extra money as lunch money to go to school and stuff like that. Eventually, I must say that's something we can pursue as a career. So I find a school in a crossroad and I go there and I started a cosmetology course. During that time, I did meet somebody and then they need an assistant also to help them with hair and stuff like that. Somebody go school in the mornings, finish, and then leave and go working in the afternoon. And that was like over 8 years ago. And I learned to basically do like braiding, coloring, and stuff like that. So,
Under her mentorship?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that was the start, and it was really good because I learned a lot from she as well.
Oh, I love that. So, how was it though? Starting up on your own, like starting up your own business, like branching off to creating Hair Art by Kimon?
Well, in life, they say that your greatest achievement come at your greatest downfall. So sometimes some things happen to you and here comes success. You're not ready for it, but you have to just make the necessary step. And when my did start out, it never easy, but I did make the necessary step to basically, move forward because my sister said this can work, but it will take some time and I did push through and just do what I have to do. Hard work, and you have to have a plan. You have to have a plan and God have to be in the mix of everything we are doing.
Yeah, I love that. So was there any challenges like when you just start up, did you get any assistance or like the government, what them do for you, like if they did you get any assistance, was there any challenges or you navigated, like share one of the stories if you have any.
Basically, I started out everything with my money, basically. And as I said before, you have to have a plan. So if you know, say, okay, I have this for pay for this month. So you make sure say you start with your financials where that is concerned. So that you have to make sure say bills them pay on time. If you have one salon equipment where you have to pay for every other month or so, you pay for it, right? So you have to make sure say okay, you're not party, you're not waste the money. You make sure say you have the plan. You work towards the plan. You gotta have them small, your short-term goals, medium-term goals, and long-term goals. So basically, you have to just follow through your plan. You set them and you work towards it.
But that takes sacrifice. So you're telling me that while all your friends are partying, and while all your friends are having fun,
I practically never go out for 1 year straight, and I only buy clothes like 2 times for the year, and that was basically for my birthday and my mother. When my mother's birthday come, so I did have to make the necessary sacrifices for pull through and make sure say everything meet the deadline accordingly.
Okay, I love that.
okay, so you said that this started off as a passion, as a hobby.
Yes.
So you were just in the community as a little girl and doing people's hair to get extra money.
Yes.
So basically you turned your passion into a full-time business.
Yes, and I got certified. Eventually, I went to Hart where I did an associate degree for 4 years in hairdressing level 4. So I'm certified art student as well.
I remember I was a compliment, like I was on the road in the traffic and the rest of us stepped out of this car, like I love it here. I went into the supermarket and he's like, I love it here, I love the color. I went to the gas station and I'm like, I love it here, I love the color. I'm like, that's my hairdresser for 4 years.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So, what is your support system like? Because we know, we know, oh God, to be like an entrepreneur, it is a lot of stress. It takes a lot from you, but you're driven by your passion. But what is the support system like?
Alright, my support system, as I said before, you can't let go of God. So basically, God is like the captain and you're the co-pilot. After God and you, your family. So my family, I have close friends where I can call upon when I need like legal advice on how to move forward and operate my business and put in the necessary guidance, or put in things where I'm gonna maintain the business overall when you're interacting with the tenants or anybody. So it is a part of your business structure. So the support system is the family, close people, and you do a lot of research and keep pushing.
So is there any family in particular you can tell me say is always there?
My 2 sisters, which is my like call them my best friend and my mother, basically. And then my other half, him come in, him do the necessary work, put it into the shop and stuff like that. So me have to meet them.
Alright, so you were saying something to Manny.
Yeah, I said it seems like you're shattering stereotypes because every place you go, there's a stereotype. Mm-hmm. One of the stereotypes here on the island is that the Jamaicans are bad minds and they won't help you succeed in business in particular, and you don't have family support. So would you say that business and success is still possible in Jamaica?
I would say business is still possible in Jamaica. It's who you share your ideas with. Because basically you will share an idea with somebody. Remember, it is your dream. You have your dream, you know where you want it to become. So it's not everybody when you share it with them. Them are gonna say, okay, this can work. We can share it with Harry and say, no, this not gonna work. We can share it with somebody else and then we say, you don't say this can work. You have to just do the necessary work and make sure it's safe.
Alright, so within the business, like it is with your interest of them, you interact with many different clients. How do you navigate the very difficult ones?
Okay, the very difficult ones, I mean, like, you have to, like, explain to them. You don't necessarily have to, have a big discussion where it leads to the client leaving. So, for example, something happened and the client can sit down and talk about it. Because remember, customer care is key. So once you can sit down and talk about it and you come to an amicable agreement, you can be able to move forward. And you still maintain a relationship with your client. So if they have a problem with the service and they can come in the following day and rectify the situation, I would say that's good.
Okay, so basically you're saying, look, it don't matter, you don't really see the difficulty, you look at problem solving.
Yes.
So,
Is this the reason why your name is all over the streets? You have so much popularity? Because I'm telling you, seems to be one of the largest or quickest growing hair salons. A lot of people know you. It's like you're notorious.
I would say that.
yes.
Yeah.
Alright, so what would you say, like, I know it's a customer service, but what else would you say is the secret sauce behind hair art?
Well, the secret sauce, I would say, behind your art is whatever trend coming, you make sure say you do your research. So whatever social media platform you can go on and just keep abreast with the style, equipment, and your practice. So for example, a style coming, you have a one client or a friend where you can call in and say, no, someone want to respond, you have to see how it goes. So basically, you would have tried different techniques until you find one that you are comfortable with, and you move forward. So, you'll be able to continue to keep abreast with technology and style and trends.
That is awesome. That is awesome. So,
what the good thing about this industry too is that going on to the foreseeable future, everyone's always going to want to be in style. Everyone's always going to want to be in the new trend. So what's your outlook for future business, future perspectives, what's your outlook for that?
Just continue to do your research, continue growing. Don't limit yourself to know. You have to be in the future. So just continue to do it. And as I said before, research.
I agree, because many salons who are unable to maintain themselves are the ones that don't keep up with the trend. So if they specialize in one thing, they don't branch out to other things, because this particular field is from observation is it changes. So this minute it might be natural hair, then it might be extensions, it might be braided changes. So you have to be able to basically
just be able to do a little bit of everything, because I do braids, I do locks, I do color, I do cutting, natural hair care, and also process hair care. And if I can't get a product out here, I have to research and see if I can get it online and bring it in for the clients.
That is great. What advice would you give to somebody who wants to start up their own business? Why not tell them?
Alright. God has to be the center of anything that you're doing. And as I said before, God is the pilot and you're the co-pilot. For me, endurance is one of the best success tools you can use. You're gonna get tired some days, you have to turn. If you feel like you don't want to do it, you still have to turn, right? Some days you're gonna have distraction. Some days it not go good, but no matter what happens, you have to just keep going. You keep going. You're sleeping up at night time, believe me. So even when you take 5, you still have to think, okay then, what other business we can probably try to get and do on the side. Because remember, cost of living expensive. So, endurance is key for me. Keep going, no matter what happens, keep going. Rest if you need to rest, but keep going. Crawl if you must, run if you must, walk if you must, but no matter where you do, just keep going. And
she's very encouraging. So she'd be like, okay, what's the next plan? Alright, yeah, you should do it. So she's very, very encouraging, and she just loves what she does. So she's like, if you love what you do, also follow your dreams. So yeah, definitely.
Do you have any last words?
Yes.
Peace, love. Remember, hair art by Kimoli. Number 1, always and forever, baby.
Yes, guys, you can't tell me say you never enjoy the 1 year where we bring come. Let me tell you this. You know, doing these interviews, it just give me a new source of energy, a new source of motivation. Like, I'm inspired. I'm doing this to inspire you guys, but I'm inspired. Trust me. Remember, if you have a story that you want to tell, you can always reach out to us, send us a comment, send us a message. Don't worry about the rooster in the background. I fear baby that once we start speak, that is what happens. Yeah, but trust me, these stories are, we have many more. We have many more for you guys. So we're really looking forward to it. Remember, you can email us at nurturebeingbiz@gmail.com. And yeah, we will come find you guys, because we want to bring the inspiration to the Jamaicans, and we want to bring the Jamaican stories to the world, because they know the stereotype exists that okay, it's so rough and it's so hard, and many people still don't dare do it. So we're showing that yes, enough blessings and respect. I'm out.
Yes, come on, so tell them where to find you.
Find me at 2 Online Clothes Commercial Complex at Shop 27. Hair art by Kimoli.